So here is Dream by Wombo app, and there are a lot of new updates, more updates coming. But yeah, let's just do a quick recap overview of what this app does, why it's so popular. So here you can see all these images which are generated by AI. So these are not some painters. This is not like other people doing this. This is just algorithm doing all these images. Here on the homepage you can see community artwork from other people. Yeah, you can see all these interesting images. And then you can see the prompt, which is basically what the user entered in this query to generate the image. So then you can tap plus to create artwork, and let's just try to do it together. So here you can just enter some prompt. It can be very abstract. Like ideally in this app you should do like an abstract prompt. If you enter like your face or your selfie or some like object, it won't generate it like a photo style. So it's not like DALL-E 2 or like Google Imagen. These are others AI images projects which can generate photo like AI image. Here it's more like abstract image, and then you can see all these styles here which are just like this. And then you can select image. Yeah, this is the coolest feature about Dream by Wombo, that you can generate image and then you will be able to create AI artwork based on that image. But anyhow, let's just create without it. And then yeah, the image is being created. Here recently they just added this Dream by Wombo Premium. And then I can just view all I will just go through all benefits after this is being generated. One of the benefits is that you can create your image faster, and and so that's basically, here is the image for nature. Here I can name my artwork. I can do that. There is a 20 character limit. I can publish it. I can decide to show prompt or not show prompt in artwork. I can also buy print in top right. They have like as their shop and it will be delivered. I can also save and download and export it as font background or download as original, and I can just publish it. So that's basically the idea of the app. That's how it's working. And then I can regenerate it, and if I regenerate again it will be another image. So that's something around how it is working. So let's just explore what you can get if you upgrade to premium. So first you will get like a support channel in their Discord. I would really recommend you to join their Discord channel. It's a really strong and big community. But yeah, you will get exclusive support. Then you can get all this access to premium styles. There is of course priority queue, and then prompt history, which is coming soon, not available yet. Save as video, not available yet, and dark mode, not available yet. And it's $4.99 per month, $19.99 per year. Pretty cheap as a year price, so doesn't make sense for you to upgrade for a month if you try to use this app continuously during at least like half a year. There is no free trial, so that's it. Then there are settings. This is like you can see your details. This app also plans to release much more features and become more like social media. So it's already not the first version, so they just added these personal profiles. I can see all my previous prompts. I can see all of that, but later they will add features to follow each other profiles, I think to go to each other profiles and be like Instagram with AI images. So that's really cool. And then you can see all these premium themes. If you want to upgrade premium styles, you need to get Dream by Wombo Premium. Then let's just go to their Discord and let's just explore how it's working. Yeah, you can see a lot of people. It's very active discussion. So yeah, you can see all the questions, and then yeah, you can go here. You can see all the announcements. So that's basically that. There also are challenges which you can join. Then you can get some perks. So yeah. So that's basically it. And yep, so yeah, you can see all the updates. And yep, so just go here if you really enjoyed the app. Really would recommend you to go through this Dreamboy Wombo Discord chat. And yeah, also app is available on web, so you can use it on Android via web. So that's basically what it is. Thank you for watching. Hope it was helpful. And yeah, give a try to this app for sure. It's so much fun and there are so many updates coming.